welcome back again to my channel. This is Devine again, and today I'll be doing a short unboxing. Today I just got this Sephora. I ordered it online and I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to open now this box, and I'm so excited to show it to you guys. Although it's not that much, it's just big, the box, you know, and oh my goodness. Alright, here you go. There you go. So, here's the receipt. Right now, we're gonna start on the unboxing. So I have this and this just to support those items inside. So yeah, and I'll start with the giveaway that they give. I am a VIP reach already, and whenever I order, I have a free gift. Start with the free one first. So I'm gonna open it, guys, and I'll show it to you. So this is the Sephora purse, and let's see what's inside this Sephora. Okay, so there's this Dr. Jart Plus Water Fuse. This is actually a hydrogel. It's a moisturizer, and it's a sample. So sometimes if you don't want to use them on your face, I do normally use it for my hands, for moisturizing my hands, my hard working hands. And I have here a Marc Jacobs lipstick, guys, and let's see what's the shade. Ooh, it's a fall lipstick shade. Love it. It's a neutral one. Not sure if you could see that, guy. Pretty. I have another collection, although it's a sample, but still good. It's free. And what else I have here? I have a soy face cleanser from Fresh for all skin types. So it gently cleanses face and eyes. So another face wash, guys. And I have here a brow whisk from Anastasia. Yes, it's a crayon. I'm not gonna open it, guys, but this is something that you could use for the brow right there. And there's this Ultra HD Makeup Forever. Oh, you could use this for highlighting your brow bone. Actually, it's a pressed powder. What else I have inside this? Oh my goodness, where's my perfume? They didn't put the perfume on. Alright, so I have here a finishing balm. Surreal Skin Argan Finishing Balm. Argan oil. Because guys, you know what? I'm scared using different moisturizer or anything that goes to my face sometimes. It's not that my face is sensitive, but I'm scared of breakouts. So yeah. And okay guys, this is one of the best. Oh, so no, I thought this is the primer. One time they gave me a primer, a Clinique primer. It was amazing. I wanted to try that again. This is a Clinique Pep Start 2-in-1 exfoliating cleanser. So this is for face. And what else I have here? And this one is Extra Strength Daily Peel Alpha Beta. It exfoliates and smooth your face. And then I'm not gonna give you too much information for this. It's one of those skincare. It looks like it's a scrub thing. So yes, it's called Dr. Dennis Gross. All right, so that's it for the actually I'm gonna put it inside, put it back. There you go. And yes, so, and what I have here, guys, is this Shiseido White Lucent Luminizing Surge. It's a moisturizing lotion for face. I kind of wanted to try this for so long, but I don't have budget. So right now I have this luminizing Shiseido Moisture Surge. This will basically it's an alcohol-free, gentle to skin. So basically, guys, this is lightening lotion. It's because I've been exposed to sun the whole summer, although our summer here is not as long as some other countries, but still we're always out on the long weekend, beaches and stuff. So that's why I ordered this one. So tonight I'll be using this, and probably I'll be giving you a review on this next time, so stay tuned for that. And the next one I have here, guys, is finally I have this Subculture Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I don't know if I'm going to love it, and this is the lovely palette. They're gorgeous, and for sure I'll be giving you another tutorial for Anastasia Beverly Hills on this palette actually. And yes, absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to try them on. So next, so I have a few items here. I have 6 Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick to swatch on. Next time I'll be showing you a swatches on this Anastasia lipstick, and I'm gonna open one for you guys. The name is Stargazer. That one. Oh, it's a vegan, cruelty free, and what else? Okay, so guys, I open it, and I'm gonna show you this lovely, oh, gorgeous. You see that? It's all over black and then rose gold on the twister area. So when you open it, it shows the logo for Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the shade. It's fuchsia pink. I'm going to swatch it next video, so stay tuned. And that's it, guys. That's all for my unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoy this short unboxing, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye for now.